To survive the most famous maritime disaster in human history is a miracle, but to survive its two identical sister ships is a statistical impossibility. Welcome to File 005, The Unsinkable Woman. In the early 20th century, the White Star Line built three massive, luxurious ocean liners to dominate the Atlantic: the Olympic, the Titanic, and the Britannic. They were floating palaces of steel, and Violet Jessop, a young ocean stewardess, served on all three. Her nightmare began in 1911 aboard the RMS Olympic. It was the largest ship in the world until it violently collided with a British warship off the coast of England. The Olympic's hull was breached, but it managed to limp back to port. Violet survived, but she didn't quit the sea. 7 months later, she transferred to the company's newest pride and joy, the Titanic. On the freezing night of April 14, 1912, she was in her bunk when the ship struck the iceberg. As the unsinkable ship began to tear itself apart, Violet was ordered onto Lifeboat 16. In the chaos, an officer shoved a forgotten baby into her arms. From the freezing, pitch-black waters of the Atlantic, she watched the massive steel Leviathan break in half and disappear into the abyss. After surviving the freezing ocean, most people would never look at a boat again. But when World War I broke out, Violet volunteered as a nurse aboard the third sister ship, the Britannic, now converted into a massive floating hospital. In 1916, sailing through the Aegean Sea, the Britannic struck a German underwater mine. The explosion ripped the keel open. This time, the sinking was violently fast. The ship's captain kept the massive bronze propellers spinning, desperately trying to beach the ship on a nearby island. As Violet's lifeboat was lowered into the water, it was caught in the ship's current and sucked directly backward into the churning, exposed blades of the propellers. To avoid being shredded, Violet threw herself into the water. She was pulled under the massive hull, striking her head violently on the ship's keel. Fractured and drowning, she somehow fought her way to the surface. She survived the third and final sister ship. Violet Jessop spent 40 more years working at sea, earning the title Miss Unsinkable, because some people aren't just lucky, they are entirely unkillable. This is the Vantage Archive.